In 1898, archaeologists uncovered a mysterious wooden artifact in Saqqara, Egypt. It resembled a bird, but with strangely aerodynamic features. Known today as the Saqqara Bird, the artifact has puzzled historians for over a century. Some believe it was simply a ceremonial object or child's toy. Others propose a radical theory, that it was a model of an ancient glider, evidence that Egyptians may have understood principles of flight long before modern aviation. Tests on replicas show that, with slight modifications, the design could achieve lift. Was this object symbolic, educational, or technological? What do you think the Saqqara bird truly represents? Share your thoughts below.